finally, once you get your postcard or flyer merged and the way you want it, you can print. So you have the print option right here under Bear Printing app still, print. You can name it properly, otherwise the same name's going to come across. You just say export to Bear Printing. And all the settings are fine. You shouldn't have to change anything. Click export. And what's going to do now, it's going to log you right into your Bear Printing account. It's going to tell you you're leaving the site, and you're going to go right to the Bear Printing account as if you uploaded your own file. So this is that spot. There's the file we just built. You just now say next. Select what product it is. So this is a large postcard. Say next. Now you can do whatever you need to do to check out. Since this is a postcard, we can build a radius list to have a mailing list, or you can upload your own. And this basically just works the same way it would if you were checking out manually. So there's my list attached. I can now go check out. I can do first class mail. I can do glass coat paper. Make sure my quantity matches my database, which was 100. Click add to cart. Choose address and mail. You want Bear Printing to address and mail those for you because postage is included. Hit checkout now. Enter your credit card or select it if you have one saved. Put your initials here that you've proofed everything and click finalize. And that order will be placed.